nice. It's very nice weather for today. Very nice weather for today. For today. Look at the mountain there. Yes, and look at Basha. Oh, we watch this, guys. All of them. The bedsheet. Yabazabuza. Basha, run and run. Oh my God. Ay, yes, like that. You're tired now. Yeah, it's good to sit, Basha. I will put heavy things in the chair. I will go look somewhere. Wait, I will gonna look some.